Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in ARK Survival Ascended game on PC. So without wasting time, here are the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. Now the first fix is to enable or disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on ARK Survival Ascended game, click on properties, go to the controller tab and first select the enable Steam input and then restart the game. And after restarting the game, check if your controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, then again go to the game properties, go to controller tab and this time select disable Steam input and then again restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2. Disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controllers, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 3. Check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. If you're using a wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly or not. And if you're using a wired controller, then try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controllers on different systems to identify the problem. Fix 4. Use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. Fix 5. Press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Now check if the controller or gamepad is working in ARK Survival Ascended game or not. Fix 6. Restart Steam or restart your PC. So simply close the Steam from Task Manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch the ARK Survival Ascended game and check. If that doesn't help, then restart your PC and then run Steam as an admin and then launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve controller or gamepad or mousepad not working in ARK Survival Ascended game on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.